Hey, what's going on? I am going to show you something really cool. I'm going to show you how to add Facebook comments into your blog. So, if you go to Facebook and you log in, and then you go to developers.facebook.com, you can click on social plugins. And then you click on comments. And this is what you're going to see. You're going to see your URL to comment on, your pixel width, I'm going to put 650, your light or dark, number of posts, I'm going to put 20. And this is the cool thing. This is where you attach to your pages right here. So, if I click change and I choose a fan page, save for later, it says the posting will be as save for later. So now I click get code, and it gives you these really confusing directions. It doesn't really explain what to do. So I'm going to show you for WordPress what to do. You take this script, the top script. Let's call it the top script, the middle script, and the bottom script. That way we don't get confused. So you take the top script and you do copy. Then you go to your WordPress blog and you go to settings, appearances on editor. Under your editor, you're going to want to find your header and your footer. So you're going to have the top, middle, and bottom. So the top is going to be the header. So click header. And under the header, we're going to go back to the directions. What it says is place right after the body tag. So we're going to go to the header. And we're going to look for the body tag. Somewhere in the middle. There it is, right there in the middle. And just hit return a couple of times, make an empty space, paste. Now we're going to hit update. Okay, now we hit update. Now, we're going to go back and we're going to get the bottom. Put this code wherever you want. Okay. And your plugin to appear. Oh, this is the one we need. I apologize. We need the XFBML. So at the top there's a tab there and you click XFBML. So I'm going to click in there and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to make sure I did it in the correct code in the header. So back to the header. So it was right under the body. It's probably the same code, but I'm just going to delete it just in case. Okay. I'm going to paste it and save it again. Now I'm going to go back to Facebook. I'm going to find the bottom piece. Okay, here's the bottom piece. Place this code wherever you want it to appear. And this one here is the bottom piece. So this says place in the HTML tag. Okay. So add an XML namespace. So we're going to take the middle, okay, Control C, and we're going to go back to the header, okay, back in the header. And I'm going to go and find the first HTML. And you always have, whenever you see HTML, you always have like the creator. What this W3 is, it's like a company, like for a creator, like if the theme was made in like Dreamweaver or something like that. This doesn't mean anything. Like, it's not important at all. It can be deleted, okay? We can just delete that XML because all you really need is HTML. But what they want is they want to put their name tag in here. So you see this says HTML. So I'm just going to take this XML, and it's just from quote to quote. So you're going to take that and you're going to put it back inside here. So it's going to look exactly like, you know, like they have it. So you could pretty much just erase your HTML tag and put their HTML tag. And it's just giving them a namespace saying that they have OpenME, you know, Facebook, to generate the XML code. So we're going to hit update, okay? We're still in the header. Now, wherever we want our code to appear, we're going to go back and we're going to grab our code that we want. Okay, we grab our code. This will appear anywhere we want in our WordPress blog. Anywhere we put it, this comment will appear. It's basically kind of like a iframe type thing. So what you can do is go to, just so you can see how it works, like we'll go to footer, and we go to footer, close that, and in the footer I'm just going to put it towards the bottom so you can see what it looks like. Right above powered by the theme name, I'm actually going to put my URL here. I don't need to brand anybody because I'm the bomb.com, right? Just kidding. So right above powered by, I'm just going to drop the code and we're going to see what it looks like. Okay? It may need some tweaking. It may look a little weird or whatever. But just so you understand how you take those three pieces, the top, the middle, and the bottom, and put them in WordPress so you can get your comments working. So now I'm going to visit the site and we're going to see if we see comments. I'm going to scroll down all the way to the footer. It's still loading, it seems. Still loading stuff. One second. Okay. And there it is. There is your comment box. And it says it's Facebook social plugin. So it pops right inside your WordPress blog. You can put it near the footer or above the footer, what I like to do is I like to go where the footer, in the footer code, and above the footer, like it towards the top, I'll put it there. You know, really doesn't matter where you put it, you know, as long as it's inside the footer. If you want it in the footer, you could put it on separate pages if you want, because once you have the top and the middle in position in the header, you can literally put this comment code anywhere you want on any page you want, and it'll populate. So, if you have any questions, hit me up. Hit me up on my blog, Brian Brown TV, or message me in YouTube. Subscribe to my channel for more, tips on how to do technology and how to do really cool stuff with WordPress and with website design and internet marketing. Have a wonderful day.